Looking for a place to have breakfast in Hamilton? Then stick around to see our visit to the Williams Fresh Café located at the Bayfront Park, downtown Hamilton. First, if you're new here, we are the Pistanos and we love exploring new adventures as a family. If that is something you're interested in, then continue following for more. We started out our morning by heading to the Williams Fresh Cafe located on Hamilton's waterfront, west foot of James Street North, 47 Discovery Drive, downtown Hamilton, and open daily 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. As you can see, the restaurant has an extra large patio for dining out, from which you have a fantastic view of the waterfront. Joshua and I got the classic breakfast and a waffle for Elena, along with coffee and a chocolate milk, all of which came up to just a total of $35, so not so very expensive. They also have dessert and sandwich options to choose from. Point to note though, you have to make your order of your food up front at the cashier, and then they give you a number, you go to your seat and wait for them to bring you the food. In my opinion, it's not the best breakfast, but for the price that was paid, it was not bad at all. After having breakfast, we then took a walk around the park to do some exploring and see what else was there. We then stumbled upon the Canadian Haida ship, which is also located at the park. This was a bonus, so we decided to take a tour and learn some of the history. We paid for Joshua and myself $8.50, and Elena was free. The Canadian ship Haida is the last of 27 tribal-class destroyers in the world and was commissioned in 1943 by the Royal Canadian Navy during the Second World War. The ship's career spanned 20 years, including the Second World War, the Cold War, and the Korean War. We then took some more pictures, did some more exploring, and then headed home. It was pretty surprising to see that we have all this history just up our alley. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye!